So boom, welcome back to Pretty Boy Youngish. You know what time it is, bike life. But yeah, I've got something special for you. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. I'm watching the numbers get up, so I very much appreciate it. Let's get to 5k, and yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna catch you on the other side. Bow. That's how I slide in your girl's DMs.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Okay, no problem.
Whip that pot and stir it. I'm in the flats like Calvin Kermit. I'm tryna harm and hurt it. Pull up outside, no parking permit. I don't know if the ass from Turkey. All I know is the ass is perky. Lean with it and drop. Come here, arch and twerk it. Hit her from the back, now she can't stop squirting. She said she wants a bag that's Birkin. I told her, girl, get working. I don't care if you're brown, I'm fine. Come bag up this work for my county line. I need to do this for the 1000th time. Come meet me around that mine. As soon as I'm finished, I'll block that spine. I don't know Keisha and Becky, but I know Lauren and Kirsty. Drip, ooh, drip, drip. How could I ever get thirsty? Big Macs and shotties on a Mersey. I tempted M, trying to put him on a jersey. FAB, don't ever wear Burberry. I come through in Dior and a Louis V. I come through in the dark, bear get them like Louis V, bear my sister.
Boom. So we're here. Got a little secret for everyone. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, I got some more plates for you as well. If you got space. Yeah. So yeah, boom. We're here now. This is Sully's. I was about to say your government name, bro. Yeah. This is Sully's garage. You should have seen the state of it before. So yeah, Sully, walk us through. This is the 636, the ZX10R, ZZR 1400. What do they call it? Hayabusa Killer.
Hayabusa Killer.
And a couple Raptors. He's got it patterned, as you would have seen on the cinematics. Listening to Tupac and whatnot. But yeah, this is it.
What?
So he's gonna get me for copyright laws now. Music that. Oh, you got a full plastic set as well?
Yeah.
For that one?
No, that's for Crosser, isn't it? It's for the
what?
450. The I don't know.
CRF.
You sure you don't want to drink, yeah?
No, I'll take one probably later. Not right now. What's the one thing I'll have in that your fridge? If I had to choose one, yeah? Let's see if Sully knows me well. If I had to choose one, what would I choose?
Probably the water or the coconut.
Yeah, he knows, he knows. But yeah, it is what it is. But let's talk about the helmets. MX2. Where did you get these stands from? These little hook things?
From online, man.
How much are they?
They're like floating stands in there.
Yeah. Yo, that...
It's about 25 quid for the set or something. A set of 3.
Man just put a... That's a mad budge, you know. Well, you didn't have one of these clips?
No, I was given that helmet by someone. I've never used it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look what he's done.
Probably had a camera in there or something.
Probably.
I was given that. In fact, it come from up north, bro. My auntie, she had a yard and rent.
That's a nice helmet, though. You just need a few more of those. What's this for? Mikhail?
Kid helmet.
Sick, man.
No diggity.
Well, he doesn't want to get a small quad or anything? Or you don't want to get him one yet?
I did have one, but my man took off too quick. And I took it off just as quick.
We got the Shark, brand new Shark here as well. Spartan Carbon. And this one. Excellent. Dainese. You know when people have Dainese, just know they've got big pockets, you know what I'm saying?
You got fucking money. He got money. Get it all for him. What do you mean?
He got big pockets. And who knows about these here? Even I don't know about these, bro. Oh my days, PS1, you know. PS1, when was the last time you saw that? That was...
I need to watch what I say, cause the feds keep raiding my spot. I'm in the kitchen scraping a pot. This one didn't take ages to lock. That's my brother, I'm breaking him off. I still need more places to cover. I might grow some UK or maybe the dog if I give you this thick pot haze in your loft. Whip that pot and turn it around, and I'm in the flats like Kermit Calvin. Even when I sleep, I'm still earning thousands. Karate chop the ounce, get pounds, and I really came apart the council housing. And when she bounce it, it's arousing. I make her squirt out like a fountain. I hit her from the back and then I ground and pound it. I had to switch up and change the rotor. I'll come through in the latest motor. I treat the streets like I'm in Daytona. Man, I like Fabs, you're taking over. I came up off the 8th of Yola. Whip, ooh, whip, I still whip baking soda. Stir the pot, break this boulder. Whip the upper, got an aching shoulder. I'm in the kitchen, I hate the odor. I just whip me a 4 and a Yoda. Back then my shoemate was Gola. I come through like I play for Roma. Nowadays I hate being sober. She's talking about staying over, but I'm hoping she ain't got Rona. Hit her from the back with this 8-inch boner. Beat it once and she named me the owner. I taught Dub up my name ain't Homer. I was 16 on the latest corner. Bust down rolling this no Daytona. Bust down rolling this no Daytona. Bust down rolling this no Daytona. Whip that pot and stir it. I'm in the flats like Calvin Kermit. I'm tryna harm and hurt it, pull up outside, no parking permit. I don't know if the ass from Turkey. All I know is the ass is perky. Lean with it and drop. Come here, arch and twerk it. Whip that. Come here, arch and twerk it. Whip that. Come here, arch and twerk it.
I'm about to hold this work. Let's skip through the games. Tekken 3, Rainbow Six. Yeah. Cool Border. Oh, if you know about these games. Grand Theft Auto. Are you dumb? Yeah. Grand Theft Auto. Metal Gear Solid. Yo, bad. Rayman. I can see Rayman.
Yeah, I played Rayman, I remember that.
Rayman's my thing, bruv. Street Fighter. What is this? Puzzle Fighter. Tekken 3. Bro, you about to hold work on Tekken, bro. You're good at Tekken, right?
No, I'm not. I don't think I was more Street Fighter guy.
Bro. You recorded? You recorded me?
No, this is you. What you?
Oh, yeah. I didn't put no music. I thought allow it, man. That's the point. You can hear Biggie in the background.
Sweating in that laundry for nickels and dimes is not gonna get you that ass. That's real money right there. Your girl will suck your dick all day. Okay, no problem.
Whip that pot and stir it. I'm in the flats like Calvin Kermit. I'm tryna harm and hurt it, pull up outside, no parking permit. I don't know if the ass from Turkey. All I know is the ass is perky. Lean with it and drop. Come here, arch and twerk it. Hit her from the back, now she can't stop squirting. She said she wants a bag that's Birkin. I told her, gal, get working. I don't care if you're brown, I'm fine. Come bag up this work for my county line. I need to do this for the 1000th time. Come meet me around that mine. As soon as I'm finished, I'll blow that spine. I don't know Keisha and Becky, but I know Lauren and Kirsty. Drip, ooh, drip, drip. How could I ever get thirsty? Big Macs and shotties on a Mersey. I tempted M, tryna put him on a jersey.